How can you remove Marketplace from Messenger? Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find an option. Click on this option of profile picture given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now, at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in tab bar and then search for it. Once the option appears, click on it. Now, navigate to the option of customize the bar. Now, over here, you'll find the option of Marketplace. Click on this drop down for pin and set it to hide. Now, at the bottom tab, you won't find the option of Marketplace. This way, you can easily remove Marketplace from Messenger. In the case you want to totally remove the Marketplace from your Messenger account, what you can do is hit back, come to the menu page, scroll down, navigate to the option of Help and Support, click on the option of Report a Problem, click on the option of Continue to Report. Now, click on Don't Include. From here, select the option of Marketplace. Over here, you have to briefly explain that you want to remove Marketplace from your Messenger account and then send it. With that, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours. You can have the conversation with it and your problem will be resolved. So this is how you can easily remove Marketplace from your Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.